Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we are standing outside the 2017 Rockwood Lite 2440WS fifth wheel. Let's take a look. Coming in from the stairs, you can see there are two recliners that sit side by this beautiful large back window. There are some storage cabinets above those and a power fan. There's also a ceiling fan in this unit. In the slide, we can see that there is a dinette and chairs. There's an entertainment center next to that. If we take a look over at the kitchen, you can see there's an RV refrigerator, microwave, a range hood above the 3-burner stove, and oven. Storage space underneath the double well sink. Nice sink covers, give you more counter space along with that fold-out countertop. If we head up the stairs, there is a screen divider from the bedroom. Good bed space with storage above the bed and a mirrored wardrobe. There's also the sink, a mirrored medicine cabinet, a nice sized shower with a skylight, through this door is the foot flush toilet, and another mirrored medicine cabinet. There's also a space for a TV above some more storage in the bedroom. Alright, let's go check out the outside. There's the outside of the Rockwood fifth wheel. There's an awning and some exterior lights. It also looks like there's outside speakers, a folding grab handle, and triple folding stairs. There are electric jacks on this fifth wheel, a spare tire carrier and ladder rack for the roof. It is prepped for a backup camera. A lot of good outside lights on here. Now you can see the two slides. An outside shower, and the wardrobe slide from the bedroom. If you would like to see this or any of our other fifth wheels, we are on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway. One of our salesmen would be more than happy to help you, or all of our inventory is available to view online at leachrv.com.